So, Apple's iPhone 17 is just around the corner, and I know what you're probably thinking, how much is this thing gonna cost me? Well, the leaks are finally giving us some answers, and honestly, things are looking a little pricier this year. For the longest time, Apple's done a pretty good job at keeping iPhone prices steady. The iPhone 16 base model was $799, and the Pro started at $999. But now, it looks like Apple might finally be making a move upward. Reports suggest we could see a $50 price increase across the board. Doesn't sound huge at first, but here's the catch: Apple may also be ditching the 128GB option for the Pro models, making 256GB the new entry point. And if that happens, prices won't just go up a little, they'll jump. Think about it, when Apple pulled this trick with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the price instantly went from $1,099 to $1,199 because the smaller storage option disappeared. So, yeah, it adds up quickly. If the leaks are right, here's where we stand: the regular iPhone 17 could land around $849, the Pro might start at $1,049, and the Pro Max could easily reach $1,199. And then, of course, we've got the brand new iPhone 17 Air, Apple's thinnest iPhone ever. This one's replacing the Plus model, which used to cost $899. With the rumored $50 bump, the Air could hit $949, but some insiders think it might push past $1,000 because of its slim, premium design. Now, here's the part that stings a little: while Apple seems ready to raise prices, Samsung didn't do that with the Galaxy S25. Google also looks set to keep Pixel 10 pricing mostly the same. So, in a way, Apple's the odd one out here. But, and this is a big but, Apple isn't just raising prices for no reason. The base iPhone 17 is finally getting a 120Hz display, which means everything you do on it will feel smoother. The Pro models are expected to bring a crazy new 48-megapixel periscope camera with up to 10x zoom and even 8K video. And the Air? That design could be a real showstopper. The iPhone 17 lineup probably won't come cheap. But when you look at the upgrades, it's not just a price hike, it's Apple raising the bar once again. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.